So let's go over how to solve equations by using the least common multiple. So in the last video we learned what the least common multiple is. Let's do a quick recap. Let's say 3 and 4. So to find the least common multiple, you add 3 to itself. So, sorry, I need to fix that. You add 3 to itself. Not again. Oh my god. You add 3 to itself several times and add 4 to itself several times until you find a number that they have in common with each other. And that common number is the least common multiple because it's the number with the lowest value that both 3 and 4 can divide by with and get a whole number. So for example, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. They both can divide into what's it called, whole numbers, when all of these numbers cannot. So we can say that 12 for 3 and 4 is the least common multiple. So let's look at an equation that we can actually use the least common multiple for. Let's use 1/2 x plus 1/4 equals 1/6 x plus 1. So immediately you might think, oh, why can't we just subtract 1/6 to both sides and subtract 1/4 to both sides to basically find the equation that way? That does work, but it does take a little too long. So my proposal is use the least common multiple. So when we look at these three numbers, my suggestion is to write them all out and add them all by themselves to see their least common multiple. So 6 and 12. 12. So we can see here that this is a 12, I'm sorry. So we can see that 2, 4, and 6 have a common number, that is which is 12, and it has the least common value that each of these numbers are able to divide by with and get a whole number. So once you find least common multiple, what you need to do is multiply this entire equation by 12. So what does that look like? It looks like this. So from here, we can say that if we can cancel these out and get 6, cancel these out and get 1 and 3, cancel these out and get 1 and 2, and then this is just 12. So we can actually rewrite this equation as 6x plus 3 equals 2x plus 12. Now, well, sorry, I need to rewrite this and get more space. And 6x plus 3 equals 2x plus 12. So now from here, we solve an equation like normal. We subtract 2x from here, and we subtract 3 from both sides. So from here, we get 4x equals 9. Now, we have a 4x here, and we need to isolate 4, so we need to divide by 4 because it's the inverse operation, or the opposite of multiplication. Since this means 4 times x, we need to divide by 4, so x can be by itself. So this equals 9 over 4. And it may seem weird, like, whoa, like equations can equal fractions? Yes, they can. Alright, that's it.